Welcome to today's market updates. Today Nifty closed at 17,856.50 where there was a change of minus 0.21. Today Sensex closed at 60,682.70 where there was a change of minus 0.20. Today Bank Nifty closed at 41,559.40 where there was a change of 0.01. Today Nifty IT closed at 30,870.20 where there was a change of minus 0.39. In NSE there was 1,013 advances and 1,007 declines. Now we will see top 5 gainers and losers in Nifty 50. The top 5 gainers are Tata Motors, UPL, Cipla, Hero Motors, HDFC Life, and the top 5 losers are Adani Enterprises, HCL Technologies, Hindalco, Tata Steel, Coal India. We will see the top 5 stocks which are most active. In terms of value, in lakhs, Adani Enterprises, Reliance, Bajaj Finance, Infosys, SBI. Now we will see the top 5 stocks which are most active. In terms of volume, Tata Steel, Tata Motors, SBI, Adani Ports, Adani Enterprises. Now we will see some of the market results. Devyani International trades lower on weak operational performance in Q3. Brokerage firms. Brokerage firms Motilal Oswal Financial Services and Jefferies have cut their price targets for Devyani International but have retained buy call on the stock. Dhanuka Agritech consolidated December 2022 net sales at 393.37 crore rupees, up 10.23% year-on-year. Sukhjit Starch consolidated December 2022 net sales at 346.60 crore rupees, up 8.77% year-on-year. Salzer Electro standalone December 2022 net sales at 239.95 crore rupees, up 13.27% year-on-year. Astra Microwave consolidated December 2022 net sales at 220.30 crore rupees, up 8.87% year-on-year. Facer Alloys consolidated December 2022 net sales at 83.08 crore rupees, up 13.51% year-on-year. Sun Pharma gets USDA not to market generic medication. Has received final approval from the US Food and Drug Administration, USFDA, for the generic lenalidomide capsules in multiple strengths. Global Investors Summit. Aditya Birla Group commits 25,000 crore rupees investment in Uttar Pradesh. Speaking at Global Investors Summit here, Kumar Mangalam Birla said the investment would go into various businesses like cement, metals, chemicals, financial services, and renewable energy. Paytm slumps 9% as large block deals take place on bourses. Around 2.1 crore shares of Paytm, which represents 3.4% stake in equity, changed hands through block deal. Reliance to set up 10 gigawatts of green energy capacity in UP. Mukesh Ambani. The group plans to invest 75,000 crore rupees across multiple business segments, including renewable energy. In Uttar Pradesh, Kotak Mahindra Bank aims to grow low-cost deposits, will focus on acquiring customers, says Virat Diwanji. The private lenders consumer group president and head says keeping customers engaged will be a major challenge. Alibaba said to have sold entire stake in Paytm. Stock slumps. LIC's total exposure to Adani stocks less than 1% of AUM, says Chairman M.R. Kumar. Delivery among 24 companies added to MSCI India Small Cap Index. Zomato stock plunges over 7% as Q3 loss widens. SEBI probes Adani's links to investors involved in flagship firm's FPO by Mahanagar Gas, target of 1,090 rupees. Anand Rathi is bullish on Mahanagar Gas has recommended buy rating on the stock. Following companies in the table are the companies providing dividends and other corporate actions. Note the ex-date and record date carefully and do the needful. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly share it with your friends and relatives and stay updated with market updates. We highly appreciate your feedback in the comments section. See you tomorrow with more market updates. Bye.